spark plugs. That's a big one. You get false detonation, it could be bad. So definitely don't want to skip on spark plugs.
Tires, definitely tires.
And why do you say tires?
For tires that are wearing down, you could hydroplane easier, have a blowout, which is more dangerous. So yeah, I don't want to risk that.
Hey, my name is Zach from BMW Columbus, and I'm a service advisor here. One service that I would say is probably most important and crucial once it starts happening is the valve cover leak, because it can drip down on the exhaust manifold and cause other issues. You'll also experience a burning smell, and I would probably say the oil filter housing also, because once it starts to drip, the belts, the alternator, and everything like that can get damaged from that.